speak quickly to that in terms of the U.S. and, being with a firm that works largely with quite a number of U.S. IPAs and their interest in attracting foreign investment. It does become difficult because there are several things. There are the trade policies, and part of that is also just what creates a perception of, unfriendliness toward international enterprises, as well as, the idea that investment also often follows trade. Right? So if you're investing and serving so many customers in the US market, and now that becomes difficult, you're less likely to do an expansion to, get into proximity of those customers. And then the other thing that we haven't, spoken about that does also concern me is related to immigration rhetoric as well. Countries like Germany and even the US in terms of non-immigrant populations and the current birth rate, it's going to become very difficult to compete without immigration reform that's comprehensive and fair. So also if you're investing in the US or in any other market, you do not want to feel like you're promised some kind of immigration policy able to attract the right kind of talent, and then at some point that's no longer true. Additionally, there have been lots of reports about the return on investment in terms of taking in immigrants and training them and having them contribute to the economy, especially when you have a low birth rate.